Have you always been struggling with money and your financial well-being? Have you lived paycheck to paycheck, no matter how hard you try to get ahead? Then stop what you're doing and watch this entire video, because what you're about to hear could completely change your life. Hi, this is Lance Crane from the Release Technique. You've been taught that money problems are about not earning enough, not budgeting right, or not saving enough. But the truth is, money blocks are internal. They're emotional, they're unconscious, and they've been running the show for years, maybe even decades. That's why we created the 30-day financial freedom course. It's not a typical class. It's a deep, guided journey into your subconscious where the real blocks to wealth and prosperity are hiding. Using the powerful release technique, we help you eliminate fear and stress around money, release beliefs about lack and limitation, let go of guilt, shame, or resentment around wealth, and open up to true financial abundance from the inside out. The next 30-day financial freedom course starts July 24th. That's just days away. And the best part, you can save $150 right now with our special coupon code. Just use FF150 at checkout. But hurry, seats are limited and the course starts in just a few days. Don't miss this opportunity. If you're ready to finally stop surviving and start thriving, this is your chance. No matter your age, background, or situation, if you can release, you can change you. Click the link below to register, releasetechnique.com, event, financial, or go to releasetechnique.com and go to live classes. And at checkout, use the coupon code FF150. Join us for 30 days of releasing and a lifetime of freedom. Enroll now.